I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and going straight to Digital Balance. This is where Huawei centralizes screen time. You allow the permission prompts so the phone can track app use. Without that data, limits won't work. Once done, choose whether you're setting limits for yourself or a child. Make sure to tap Setup Now and accept the basic monitoring options. This establishes the baseline usage data the timers and schedules will rely on. Now you configure the actual limits. Tap App Limits and select categories or individual apps, then assign daily minutes or hours. This is how you control overuse. Next, set a schedule using bedtime mode or custom schedules to block access during specific hours. This enforces routines automatically. You can also add apps to exceptions so critical tools remain available. Make sure to set repeat days. Finish by setting a screen time password or parental PIN so limits can't be changed without your permission. This secures the configuration. Review the weekly report to see actual usage and tweak limits accordingly. Data-driven adjustments improve effectiveness. If something goes wrong, first check digital balance permissions and disable aggressive battery optimization for digital balance and target apps. Often the phone's power settings stop limits from enforcing. If problems persist, reboot the device and reconfirm permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.